Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel again. It's camping time again. I'm sure many of you have stopped at Kardoesie Padstal for brunch or a treat, but did you know there is a campsite higher up in the mountains? Kardoesie is 170 kilometers from Cape Town and only 10 kilometers outside of Citrusdal. Instead of turning right towards the Padstal, keep straight and just follow the signs. On top of the mountain you will find a beautifully well-maintained grass-covered campsite. We quickly picked ourselves a spot right on the edge of the mountain, parked the trailer and set up our camp. The camp has two terraces. We camped on the upper terrace. The sites are clearly marked and each site has access to a caravan electricity plug. On each campsite is a dustbin and a braaidrum. There is one big central ablution facility. The ablutions are spacious and very neat. There are basins with hot water and on the woman's side also one unit with a bath. There are also a couple of hot water showers with ample place where you can hang your clothes and a little bunkie where you can put stuff down. They are flush toilets and on arrival you will receive one complimentary roll of toilet paper. After that you can buy some from the management. There's also a spacious family bathroom. On the outside there is a sink for washing dishes and also a space where you can wash clothes. There's also a washing machine and dryer and somebody can assist you doing your washing there. A nice touch is a designated toilet for cleaning out your porta potty. At the back of the ablutions you will find some washing lines. The gardens around the camp are really beautiful and you get the feeling that everything is well maintained and carefully looked after. The big play area will keep the kids busy for quite some time. The pool is crystal clear and looked very inviting, definitely a big bonus in the summertime. Here you can definitely sit back, relax and enjoy the beautiful view. Back at camp we just sat back and we enjoyed the beautiful views. Like I mentioned before, at the entrance to the camp is the Kardoesie farm store. Here you can enjoy breakfast or lunch or shop for anything from sweet treats and meat to fresh bakery goods. You can even buy clothes. We were treated to a beautiful sunset at the campsite. It was time for us to get the fire going. Even though it was a beautiful autumn day, we know that we're going to get cold during the evening, so we had to get a big fire going. I started mixing a bread dough, which we will bake later on the potjie. It is a very simple recipe and it can be done within half an hour. It never has failed me. We settled in next to the fire and just admired the beautiful views. Soon the bread was done and we could have supper. The next morning was another beautiful clear day. We made bacon and eggs for breakfast. We were pleasantly surprised with Kardoesie campsite. This is a well-maintained campsite. The management is friendly and it's clear they take great care in keeping everything in top shape. We will definitely be coming back. Again, thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Please leave your comments in the comment section and happy camping.